Our signature Rizos curl scent is finally here as a perfume for hair and body. So many people love our products for their scents, and you can finally take our scent anywhere you go with a simple spritz. This fine multi-note fragrance is a luminous scent with vibrant layers perfectly paired with notes of bright, juicy citrus, fresh cut coconut, velvety sandalwood, and warm vanilla, rounded out with a subtle touch of blooming floral. It captures the scent of a sun-kissed California afternoon. Best of all, it's specifically created for hair and body. This perfume is dermatologist tested and made with sugarcane alcohol, which is non-toxic and non-drying for hair and skin. And of course, it's vegan and cruelty-free. This refreshing fragrance is great for every day and layers well with other scents. Get ready to smell amazing from head to toe.